Hello, I'm Sarah. I'm here with my minions, Aston, Sam and Olivia, and today we are going to be making some wraps. The recipe I'm doing will make 8 wraps. Now they are quite filling wraps. Normally if I have the store-bought ones, which usually come to about 83 cents each, we figured out, takes a good bit, maybe 2.5 of them to fill me up. These ones I only need 1 wrap. They're actually very filling, and these cost 13 cents per wrap to make. So I'm going to be making 8 of these, so about $1.06 for the whole lot. Yes. Do not put Aston's arms on his knees when he doesn't want you to, please.
But he didn't say that.
Well, he said it now. We'll get a bowl. First of all, we need a pan. Now in the pan. Now we need 1.5 cups of milk. Olivia, can you get a measuring thing out? There you go. Thank you. We'll use the half because then you can put a cup, one of these in each. So this is half a cup. 1.5 cups of milk. 1. You doing it?
First.
No, come on, quick, you doing it or not? There we go. Yes.
It nearly did a somersault. Yeah.
It nearly did a somersault. Big paper milk. Right. Tip.
You should have done.
Is that what I should have done? Oh, is that what Sam should have done, you mean?
Yeah. Now I spoon.
I'd rather he did not do that. I'd rather he just get the milk in the pan. With as little drama as possible. Yay! Right. That's 1.5 cups of milk. Now we want about 7 tablespoons of butter. Now,
2 for me, 2 for Sam.
or 100 grams. Now, when I say butter, butter's expensive. So that's how I roll. It's about $1.35 for 500 grams of this. So I know butter does generally taste nicer, but
Sam, you know.
You can hop down from the store, Olivia. That would make life a bit easier. But
Look, with my finger. 2 for me, 2 for Sam, 2 for Aston, 1 for you.
I'll just do this because you'll end up getting butter up your fingers and yes. Put it away. 3, 4. Who's helping me count?
5.
5.
Those are actually scoops of ice.
This is actually scoops of ice cream. I wish it was. I wouldn't be melting it into milk. I'd be eating it, especially if it was cookies and cream. Right. So then, we want to very slowly start melting this over the stove top. So, can I get, Olivia, can I get you to be on butter stirring duty?
Yes.
Bring your stool over if you want.
It isn't too small.
You just slowly stir that around so the milk doesn't burn to the bottom. Right, I've got my professional butter and milk stirrer. Now we'll need 4 cups of flour. Yes, this is your time to shine.
I want to put some
This is 1 cup. Yes, 4 cups. How many cups do you guys get to put in each?
We do 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 each.
Good job, both of you. Yes, so 1.
We do 2 each.
Yes.
It's 1. It's this much.
Yes. So that's Sam's 2. You can put 2 in.
Much.
It is that much. 1, 2. Good job.
Yeah. It's that much we do.
Right. 1.
So I've done 3.
Sit over here with it. So you have got your back to the camera. You always face your audience, unless you're behind me stirring milk. In which case you can face away. Right. That's 4 cups of flour. I'll leave this out here because we might need the flour for dusting stuff later. Do we sure we've got that all out? No. Quick. Right, I think that's
Yes, enough.
Yay. Right, and then we want a teaspoon of salt. Oh, hello, Charlie. That's the cat joining us.
Lift him up and show him to everyone.
Lift him up and show him to everyone. Meet Charles. Poor Charlie. You reckon? Justin can do this, but you can help with other stuff. So now we are just waiting. How's that butter and milk going? That is looking pretty good. Turn the stove top off. Bring that over here. So that is all nicely melted in. In the meantime, you need a stirry. Well, tell you what, next thing, mix this into here. Right, Aston, have a quick stir. Just a little stir and then Mum will mush it up properly. It is like bumps. Yeah. Give it a stir.
Can I smell it?
Looks like crumble, you reckon?
Looks like crumpet.
You smell it.
Liquid.
That's right. Thank you.
I smell it.
Yep. Open your mouth and you pop. Right. Keep mixing this. When it starts getting doughy like that, that's when the hands come into play.
My hands.
I have no guarantee that your hands are clean. You think I'm probably right. But, yeah, you can roll that up and put it back in your mouth.
After it goes to dough, can I punch and poke?
Can you punch and poke it? Yes. You can have a punch of it each when it's in a nice dough ball.
Can you make it into a bun? We can make it into a bun.
I'm not making it into a
tummy.
I'm not making it a bum shape. Now that
has to be in the video.
Yeah, Charlie's already been in it.
Oh yeah.
It's up to Kreia if she wants to come walking on in. Now that is a lovely, nice, warm, soft dough ball. You guys particularly want to punch it or anything? Go on then. Take out your frustrations, taekwondo styles. Right. Go on, Sam.
Can you pop it down so I can do?
Punch it. Yeah. Go on then, Aston. Your biggest punch. Ready? Pop.
Let me do a nice strike
That
on
was
it.
huge. Another nice strike. Go on. Hiya. Right. Now. It's enough. Now, that is now a lovely dough ball. It just gives me great joy to do this for some reason. Now, I'm going to make 8 wraps in this, so we want to divide it into 8. It would, you're correct, but I'm just going to put a little bit of flour on here as well, so there's not too much stickage. So, I'll put, no, alright, go on Nathan, can you sprinkle a little bit then?
Me too.
Thank you, that's enough.
Me too.
Right, now, on to choppy knife. Going to get a choppy knife. I'll chop that into 4. One thing I didn't mention is that instead of milk, you can actually substitute whey. I'm actually making a batch of yogurt over here. And there is some lovely whey coming out the bottom there. If you've seen my other videos, I've talked about whey. One thing you can use the whey for in here instead of milk. Now I've never actually tried it, but I'm gonna. Not today obviously, I have other plans. Evil plans for that batch of whey. So we need the rolling pin.
It's my turn.
Yep, you can have turns, don't worry, we're making lots of these. Now,
one each.
well, I'll do,
4 in
you can have a roll of 1 each. Now let's go put a little bit of oil in the frying pan. We don't want too much, but we do want that to be nice and hot.
Does oil say oil?
Does what?
Oil say oil.
Oi. Well, the first part of it does, the O and the I. And then Sam or Aston. Who's having the first roll? And then Greg.
I got the first roll.
Well, okay. The second roll.
What kind of rolling?
Give it a roll. Good mouth covering.
What moves?
It's bossy, isn't it?
The next one.
Right. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Yep. In a moment while my helpers sprinkle the flour on the board.
No!
Right.
It's not flour, it's snow.
It's snow. While the board gets thoroughly snowed up. No, Olivia, that's enough. Right. I'll roll the next one out. Now, Olivia, try and cough away from the table as well. Covering mouth is good. Now, bottom drawer will be one of my cheesecake pans, Olivia. You want to grab the big cheesecake pan out.
Big? Yes.
Yep. Because, I'll show you how to get them out nice and round. That's the one. Because I am slightly of the obsessive compulsive way. I like them.
Can I do one?
I will just do this one.
This is off for you, so you can like shape it.
That's the one. Now that is very, very nice and thin. So I like to get a circle.
Can I chop it?
Just to give me a little guide.
Let me.
No.
We trust you with a knife not.
We trust you with a knife not. Especially after the cicature incident of yesterday.
That she cut her
did.
finger, but she didn't get it on.
She did. I was trying to make sure I don't chop you on with a knife. Good technique, thank you. Right, onto the nice hot frying pan. Thank you for the round of applause. Watch how I stuff this up for the camera. Oh, yeah. That was a bit of a stuff up. However. Fine. Okay. Oh, look at that. That's not too bad. Starts bubbling up like that. That's how we want it. Right.
Need a big bubbly bump.
There is a big bubble. That's what we want.
Oh, big bubble bump is an alliteration.
It's an alliteration.
Yes.
What's an alliteration?
Oh,
Am I missing something?
All three of them start with B.
Oh, big bubble bump. Right, yes. Very
Big
good. And just like that. Look at that. A beautiful looking wrap on top of the not so beautiful one I did earlier. Nice and rolly outy.
Mum, can you not do this one into a circle? We need to have a big one.
But I love the circle.
No, I don't want mine as a circle.
The circle brings me joy.
I don't want mine in the circular shape. I don't want the circle.
Welcome to Olivia the Musical.
I don't want a circle.
And we're gonna... Aston, do not play with people's heads. There it is. Lost my thingy. This is a thingy.
Mom, what about curtains for the window?
I like wraps.
I do,
And if you have trouble getting your kids to eat veggies, which I don't. You'll often find a lot of kids will eat veggies and stuff that are in wraps because it just seems like a treat. It's all in one nice big handful. And you cook them for about 20 to 30 seconds on each side at most. Just want them nice and...
Second to last one.
Thank you, Olivia the musical. As we're making wraps, we should be wrapping it.
Normally
Yo,
it's Charlie the
last
musical.
one.
Yeah! Second to last one. Yeah.
Second to the last, to the left, to the second. Yo, yo, yo. Yeah. I apologise.
Why did you say I apologise?
Because I told myself I wasn't going to break out into a rap song during this video. And I have broken that promise.
Yeah. Roll it. Roll it.
Roll it on the jumbo.
And some sort of bumps.
Look at that.
Dun, dun, dun,
Beautiful pile of wraps. So there we have it. A slight lie on behalf of myself at the beginning, because I ended up getting 10 out of these because I went all pedantic and cut them into circulars. So I got an extra couple, so it equates to 10.5 cents per wrap. So, I mean, that's pretty good value. They wrap up nicely. I'm planning on putting some spicy beans in here with some of the homemade Greek yogurt I made. They freeze really well, just freeze them in batches and defrost them, and they're awesome. They're brilliant for school lunch boxes. So, and if you want to make them huge and square, but I mean, stick them on the barbecue, they'll work just as well. So, yeah, good outdoorsy summer type thing as well. So, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, just show me that you love me. And yeah, have fun out there.